Hi guys, Garth here. I want to show you a forearm stretch that I usually give to people with extremely tight forearms if they've got tennis elbow, a bit of bicep tendonitis, or some carpal tunnel syndrome. It's generally a handstand specific stretch. I used to give it to a hell of a lot of hand balancers, but now I'm pretty much just rolling it out to anyone that needs it because I've realized over the years that it just covers and works so many different types of ailments. So let's get going. It's on the floor and it's two simple movements. Okay, we're here. What we're going to do is we're going to put our hand flat on the floor with the thumb pointing towards us. The fingers are spread as wide as we can. Make sure the thumb is pointing towards you and keep your arm nice and straight. Keep your shoulder above your wrist and clamp it in position with your other hand. From there, we're going to move around the fingers, okay? So we're just going to move ourselves around until we can't go any further, and you should feel the stretch all up here in a nice spiral. So I'm now used to doing the stretch, so I don't need to clamp the hand. I can keep it nice and still. But if you need to, this will just keep it in position and increase the stretch at the beginning portion. And then when you're done, you just move right the way back around. That's the first movement, okay? The second movement, put your hand with your fingers pointing towards you. Nice straight arm, shoulder above the wrist. Clamp it in position again with the other hand. And this time move to around the thumb until you can't move anymore. You'll only generally do a quarter turn before you can't move anymore. Now this one's slightly more intense than the first version and you'll feel it all the way up through the forearm. Just keep it nice and clamped for up to about 30 seconds. If you want, you can squeeze the fingertips into the floor and relax them. That just gives a little bit of active flexibility in there as well. And then come back to the start position. So guys, that's it. It's that simple. It's that basic. It's just effective. Give it a wee go and let me know how it goes.